Good morning, my dear farmer friends, and welcome to yet another very informative episode of your favorite show, Annadaata. And I'm your host, Chaitrali. Today, we are going to talk on a very important topic, that is conservation agriculture. And to share their valuable knowledge about this topic, we have here a panel of experts. Dr. Maneet Rana, Head, Division Natural Resource and Environment, Central Arid Zone Research Institute, Jodhpur. He is a pioneer on conservation agriculture in India. Dr. Manmohan Dev. He has experience of more than 18 years as a principal scientist in the Department of Farm Machinery and Power, Central Institute of Agriculture Engineering, Bhopal. Dr. Neetu Narayanan, Principal Scientist in the Department of Agronomy, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi. She has experience of more than 16 years. Dr. Mahavir Nugia, Principal Scientist in the Department of Soil Science, Indian Institute of Soil Science, Bhopal. He has experience of more than 15 years. Dr. Kiran Gandhi, Principal Scientist in the Department of Soil and Water Conservation, Central Soil and Water Conservation Research and Training Institute, Dehradun. Dr. Priyank Mhatre, Director, National Institute of Agriculture Economics and Policy Research, New Delhi. He has experience of more than 20 years. Now to begin with, Dr. Maneet, our viewers would like to know what actually is conservation agriculture.
Thank you, Ms. Chitrali. Conservation agriculture is a recent agriculture management system that is gaining popularity in many parts of the world. It has three principles like minimum soil disturbance, permanent soil surface cover, and crop rotations. Thus, it aims to achieve sustainable and profitable agriculture and improves the livelihood of farmers.
Thank you, Dr. Maneet, for your valuable inputs. Hence, we know that minimum soil disturbance or conservation tillage is beneficial for soil fertility. Dr. Mahavir, please enlighten us on how it is beneficial.
Well, Ms. Chitrali, it is beneficial because conservation tillage or minimum soil disturbance provide a good soil structure due to high organic matter content, high population of soil microorganisms and more porosity. It also provides better physical, chemical and biological properties of soil which help in increasing medium-term soil fertility and crop yields. In addition to that, conservation tillage prevents soil erosions.
Thank you, Dr. Mahavir, for your insights. Dr. Manmohan, as a farm machinery expert, can you tell us whether there are any farm machineries available to achieve this soil condition, and if so, how can it be procured?
Thank you, Mr. Chitrali. Several machinery have been developed for conservation agriculture like zero tillage, disc planter, but I as an expert will recommend my farmer friend to use Happy Seeder developed by Punjab Agriculture University as it works well in mulch condition. Farmer friends, to operate Happy Seeder, you need to have 45 horsepower tractor. It can cover area from 0.2 to 0.3 hectare in 1 hour and it costs 60,000 rupees only. So you can have this machine on custom hiring basis or in group you can purchase it.
Thank you, Dr. Manmohan, for this information. As we know, cover crop is an integral part of conservation agriculture. Dr. Kiran, can you please shed some light on importance of cover crops?
Thank you, Ms. Chaitrali, for giving this opportunity. Keeping the soil covered with the cover crop is a fundamental principle of conservation agriculture. Cover crops are grown during fallow period between harvest and planting of commercial crops using residual soil moisture. Cover crop benefits the farmers in following ways: protect the soil during the fallow period, nutrient mobilization and recycle, improve soil structure, addition of organic matter to soil, and increase in soil porosity and internal drainage. So I recommend the farmers to go for cover crop in fallow period without leaving it barren.
Thank you, Dr. Kiran. Dr. Neetu, may I request you to inform our farmer friends about various aspects of crop rotation and its benefits?
Sure, Chaitrali. Crop rotation is changing the type of crop grown in one area on a regular basis. It helps to maintain the soil fertility and prevents the carryover of crop-specific pests and diseases from one crop to next via crop residues. The most efficient rotations are those that include legumes. For example, corn followed by soybean increases the yield 5 to 20% more than continuous corn. The yield further increases when corn is followed by hay crop alfalfa. So, crop rotation ensures higher income to the farmers and sustainable crop production.
Thank you, Dr. Neetu. Dr. Priyank, as an expert economist, do you think it is economically viable for farmers to adopt conservation agriculture?
Yes, Ms. Chaitrali. In my opinion, conservation agriculture is more economical compared to conventional tillage. Through conservation agriculture, farmer can save the cost of inputs. For example, under conventional tillage, if farmer is spending 55,000 rupees per acre in soybean, he has to spend only 35,000 rupees per acre by using conservation agriculture. So it saves 20,000 rupees per acre. Similarly, in maize, if he has to spend 45,000 rupees per acre, by using conservation agriculture, he spends only 37,000 and it saves 8,000 rupees per acre. At the same time, the yield either remains same or increases in both the crops. Hence, it can be concluded that conservation agriculture increases the cost benefit ratio by reducing input cost while increasing output income.
Thank you, Dr. Priyank. Your valuable input will surely motivate our farmers to switch over to conservation agriculture. Dear farmers, I hope that you are now better informed about conservation agriculture. I would like to thank Dr. Maneet, Dr. Dr. Manmohan, Dr. Neetu, Dr. Mahavir, Dr. Kiran and Dr. Priyank for their expert views. Well, this brings us to the end of this episode. For further details, contact Annadata, Post Box 840, Narn, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, Telangana 500030. You can email us at annadata@gmail.com or you may call us at our toll-free number 180008800. I repeat 180008800. Well, that's all for today. We'll meet next week in the same program at the same time. Namaste, Jai Hind.